Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to set accessibility settings on your iPhone and iPad. Apple allows you to temporarily transfer your favorite accessibility settings to another device like an iPhone or iPad. Your settings will be available while using a borrowed or public device such as a friend's device or a kiosk and will be removed when you are done using the other device. That's it. Let's get started. So first here we have to launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad, and then we have to choose the accessibility option. Then we have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Say Accessibility Settings option. Then we have to tap on Continue to proceed. After that, we have to follow the official instructions, and that's about it. Sharing your accessibility settings on iPhone and iPad is a small feature that can make a big difference, especially if you frequently switch devices or help others customize their Apple experience. With just a few taps, you can transfer your preferred vision, hearing, and mobility settings without starting from scratch. It not only saves time but also ensures a pretty consistent and fully personalized experience across all your Apple devices. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily share your favorite accessibility settings on iPhone and iPad. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.